What up, fools? Once again, I'm Ned from NevStack, but it's otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet, and today we're going to do some retail therapy. And first off, I got this thing to piss the feminists off. Looks like it came out of the 70s. It's supposed to be a microwave cleaner. Yeah, oh shit, Doris has the things over there. Anyways, you put the vinegar up to the vinegar line, and then the water up to a certain line, and she steams and she pisses off your feminist friends for existing. I love it. Also teriyaki because reasons. I don't really think that I need to explain the reason. Takoyaki and hockey cards. Hockey cards, yeah. So, I was in the shop, and Buddy comes, I'm like, oh, I got hockey cards back. I grab a bunch, and Buddy comes around, he grabs a bunch too. He's like, dude, yeah, hockey cards. And they're like, yeah, and we fist bump. And he's like, dude, I got a signature draft card in one. It's like, whoa, it's so cool. I got a signature in the baseball ones. Wow. Anyways, let's open them. 3 rookies, 5 cards, and the cards in the sleeves. I got so many of these things. I'm going to give them my comic book guy soon. Okay, pack 2. I got more, regular random cards and hard packs. What I'm really going for is I want a signed card, or I want a, something fancy. Something fancy. One of the original 6. Okay, all right. I mean, they're not signatures. They are one of the original 6. Very, very good of you for noticing. Pack number 4. I got a rookie card. Wah, wah. Yep, no signature card, no packs. Oh, well, life goes on. C'est la vie. All right, let's see what I got. Let's see if I know who any of these people are. Hayden, nope. Don, nope. This is from about the time when I was in the cards. The Jets, do they still have that logo? They must have changed that by now. Cam Atkinson. Now, this is interesting. This is from a draft pick collection. Apparently, these guys are just under the NHL, but they're not there anymore, but they're still kind of part of the NHL. And they get people from all over the frickin' place. Now, these days, I'm having a hard time figuring out when you get a rookie card. Because back in the day, you used to flip it over and you get all their information. Is this guy a rookie? I'm hoping that this is supposed to be... Oh, wait. It would say it was a rookie, wouldn't it? I got to figure out what happened to that. There was a female goalie. I'm pretty sure she was with the Sharks. I wonder whatever happened to her. Now that I'm a little bit older, I don't like the idea of a woman being a goalie. I can understand if she wants to do it, go for it. But as a guy, if there's any position I'd want a woman to be, I'm not sure if it would be goalie. You can definitely tell the quality of cards have come up quite a bit in quite a short amount of time. Wait, who is that guy? That's the Maple Leafs? What year is that? Sammy. Okay. What is he wearing? Man, back in 92, we've been knocked right off of our socks, right out of our hockey skates. I tell you what there, hoser, if we were to see cards like this, look at, just so frickin' sweet and proper. I like cards when you get people that look like their faces are in mid-coitus, or usually seem the older cards like, ugh, or like something's coming right at their face, or they're taking a shot in a certain way. Next up, I love the Hartford Whalers. I had a friend that specifically loved the Hartford Whalers just because they always seem to be the underdog, and no one seemed to know a whole lot about them. I think they're pretty cool. Rob Brown. That's my dad's name. Another Rob Brown rookie card. That's right. Patriotic. Merlier. Oh, I like that. Very sure. Oh, it's a Timmy's card. Got the Timmy's cards. The Timmy's cards. Yeah, now that right there. That is what I'm more used to when it comes to Upper Deck. What do you want? Now this takes me back to about the time when I was actually collecting, when people would get photos taken with their tongue out. Oh, what's Rutten Stutter looking at? And then we get into the newer ones and we get better pictures. I wonder if any of the old guys were giving shit to the photographers and the people making the cards and being like, can you get a half-decent picture of me, thank you? Oh, and check this one out. Oh, I love it. I love the feel of the old cardboard. It's lovely. Oh, snap, guys. I got a Patrick Raw right on. That's what I want. Patty all the way. I wonder why I haven't gotten any Mario Lemieux yet. You know what's really interesting? This card, I got a Ron Stutter again. With his face. Face off. Face to face. Parkhurst. Alan Stewart. This is some kid. Ben Hutton. All right. Interesting card art. All right. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bets. Thanks for going through these cards with me. Appreciate it. Enjoy. Take care of each other.